Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As many of you may know that one of the most important library that you need to install for AMD GPU on Linux is called ROCm. This ROCm enables the machine learning capability for AMD GPU hardware. Today I will give you a step-to-step guide on how to run it on the Ubuntu, one of the most popular Linux distribution. So if you are familiar with Ubuntu, I think you should have no problem to follow. Even you are a completely beginner, I think my goal is to enable you to run it smoothly. So let's get started. So let's assume that you have the latest version of Ubuntu, but you still need to double check because the ROCm library is only available for 2 of the Ubuntu version. So they are, you see the bottom 2 lines, the supported Linux distribution. There's one of them LTS 20.04, and another one is more recently 22.04. So I will show you how you can check that. So let's open a terminal. So if you don't know where it is, you can open your application and search the terminal. You can get that. So I will open one. So let's in order to check the Ubuntu version, you will basically need you name m and you search the special file called etc and star release. So you will see that the first one is a platform, and then there's a distribute release 20.04, and there's a description further down, Ubuntu 20.04.5 LTS. So you can see that mine has been be able to meet the requirements. Alright, double check yours. And then in order to get the kernel, you will need to use uname -srmv. And for me, as you can see right here, it's 5.15.0 here. So it's also be able to meet the requirements. So just let's assume that you are some versions before that. So how to do that? You will need to do is to upgrade your version. So let's I will maybe quickly show you. So in order to upgrade, you will need to do is sudo apt-get update. And then you can do a upgrade, dist upgrade. So for mine, because it's already got updated, so yours may able to do the upgrade and to make sure it's meeting the requirement. Okay, so let's move on to our next step. So in order to install our ROCm library, there are a few packages that need to be installed. So they are first you also update and then can quickly install it. There are 4 of them: wget, gmupg2, and gawk, and the last one is curl. So they are mostly used for file downloading. So, and then press enter. So because mine already got them installed, so it shows like 0 installed. But you will need to make sure that they are available in your system. So, all right. So the next step for the ROCm. So the latest version is 5.4.2. You will need to also install few more packages. They are called install lib in num dev, and the second one is called lib num cos 5. They are required to install the ROCm package. Yeah, so as like similar to previously, because I already installed them. And also the next step you will need to do is to reboot the machine after the installation. So I will skip this one, but please, if you are following my video, please at this stage reboot your Ubuntu PC. Alright. So sudo reboot. I will keep this one so you can follow along. So the next step, like after reboot, what we will need to do is there are some requirements that for the current user, it's needed to be belonging to 2 groups. The groups name called render and video, because they are very much related to the GPU. So I think that's also very understandable, right? So how to do that is sudo user mod -a-g and render. So and then it will be your current login name. So you will do that. So as I already do that at this stage, yeah, please press enter. And the next one is also very similarly. Only difference is the group name called video log name. Yeah. All right. Yeah, please also press enter. So you are able to make sure that your user name belong to the group render and video. So let's I think the next step you are gonna need to do is to follow the official guide. There are few packages you need to download and install. So the next one is you will need to use the wget to download one file called so let's get to the official documentation. We were able to get the link. Yeah, so you will see here there's a new documentation for that. And in here, you can click the documentation link. There's the installation guide. And you will able to just double check it. So there's so you will need to copy this line. So you will need to apt update. Yeah, press enter. And then you will need to copy this line here. So what it will do is it will download this installation file. So this file is very small, so it will be very quick. And press enter, so it will able to download it into your local directory. And then after that, you are able to directly install it. So you also press enter. So it will take probably a few minutes, so it will quickly get done. All right, so I think then after it got completed, you are able to use the installer script to install the ROCm. We will do a simple modification. Yeah. So in this case, in this step, please pay attention that you may run into some issues. So what gonna work is you will need to use this command. Similarly, AMD GPU install use case ROCm, and you will need to enter --no DKMS. So one of the restrictions is that you are not able to use both. So that's why you will have to enter the no DKMS. Otherwise, it will complain it. So after that, you will press enter. So this step, it will need to download the AMD GPU driver and the ROCm driver. So it will take depends on your network speed. It may take very long, like 1 hour. If you have a very quick network, it will be very super quick. It's probably less than 2 gigabytes, but definitely bigger than 1 gigabyte. Okay, so as I already installed them, I will skip it. So after that, you will need to check the ROCm status. You can enter ROCm info. So it will show you the device. So I will give you a quick demo. So for example, for mine, I have the CPU, which is the Agent 1. So my CPU information here, and then the important part, my Agent 2, which is the AMD GPU 6700 XT. So the information is correct here. And here are the name. Yeah, this is kind of important. I will show you later, like why it's important. So here, and after that, I think you will need to do another reboot, just to make sure that the it's persistent between reboot. So you will reboot. So okay, so after that, after reboot, yeah, make sure you do another checking of the system agents. So info to make sure that you can detect the GPU without issue. Okay, no dash, my bad. Alright, so as you can see, mine successfully show both CPU and GPU here. Alright, so if you have got this far, congratulations, you have successfully installed the ROCm. And please check out my other tutorials about actual AI applications such as Stable Diffusion or large language models using AMD GPU. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much. Goodbye.